What is input? Input refers to the process of providing data and instructions to a computer system or electronic device. Input can be provided through various input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and others. The data and instructions provided as input are processed by the computer's central processing unit, CPU, and used to perform various operations, including calculations, data analysis, and output generation. The accuracy and efficiency of input play a crucial role in the overall performance of a computer system, as incorrect or incomplete input can lead to errors and inaccuracies in output. Keyboard and pointing devices: mouse, joystick, trackball, touchpad. A keyboard is an input device that allows the user to input text, commands, and other characters into a computer system. It consists of a set of keys, each of which represents a different character, letter, number, or symbol. The most common layout for a keyboard is the QWERTY layout, but there are other layouts such as AZERTY, QWERTZ, and Dvorak. A mouse is a pointing device that allows the user to control the movement of a cursor on a computer screen. It consists of a ball or sensor that detects movement and translates it into on-screen movement. The user can click the mouse buttons to select items or perform other actions. A joystick is a pointing device that consists of a stick or lever that can be moved in various directions to control the movement of a cursor or object on a computer screen. Joysticks are commonly used for gaming and flight simulations. A trackball is a pointing device that consists of a ball that can be rotated with the fingers to control the movement of a cursor on a computer screen. It is similar to a mouse but has a different form factor. A touchpad is a pointing device that is commonly found on laptops. It consists of a flat surface that can be touched or tapped with the fingers to control the movement of a cursor on a computer screen. Touchpads often include additional features such as gesture recognition and scrolling, touchscreen, pen, and stylus. A touchscreen is an input device that allows the user to interact with a computer or electronic device by touching the screen directly with a finger or stylus. Touchscreens can be found on smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other devices. They are becoming increasingly popular in retail and commercial environments as well, where they are used for self-service kiosks, point-of-sale systems, and other applications. A pen is an input device that is used to input data and commands into a computer or electronic device. Pens typically use a digital stylus to interact with a touchscreen or other input device. They are often used for drawing, note-taking, and other tasks that require a more precise input method than using fingers. A stylus is a digital pen-like input device that is used to interact with a touch screen or other electronic device. Styluses typically have a pointed tip that can be used to tap, draw, or write on a touch screen. They are commonly used with tablets and smartphones and can provide a more precise input method than using fingers. Some styluses include additional features such as pressure sensitivity and programmable buttons. Other types of input: game controllers, digital cameras, voice input, scanners, biometric, terminals. Game controllers are input devices used for gaming. They come in various shapes and sizes, including gamepads, joysticks, and steering wheels. They typically connect to a computer or game console via USB or wireless connection and allow the user to control in-game characters, vehicles, or other objects. Digital cameras are input devices used for capturing digital images and videos. They use light sensors to capture images and videos and store them in digital format. Digital cameras can be connected to a computer or other device to transfer and edit the captured media. Voice input is an input method that allows the user to input data or commands into a computer system using their voice. Voice input can be achieved using a microphone or other voice recognition technology. It is often used in applications such as speech-to-text transcription, virtual assistants, and voice-controlled home automation systems. Scanners are input devices used to convert physical documents, images, or objects into digital format. They use light sensors to capture images of the physical media and convert them into digital format. Scanners can be used to create digital copies of paper documents, artwork, or photographs. Biometric input devices are used to input biometric data such as fingerprints, facial recognition, or iris scans. Biometric input is commonly used for security purposes, such as for accessing secure areas, logging into accounts, or authorizing financial transactions. Terminals are input devices used to interact with a computer system or network. They typically consist of a screen, keyboard, and other input/output devices, and are used in a variety of applications, including point-of-sale systems, self-service kiosks, and data entry terminals. Thanks for watching.